Now my favorite part of the whole muffler delete, taking it for a test drive. Gonna get started on the Cougar. Gonna do a crazy mod to it today. Let me go grab a jack real quick. This is a lot heavier than it looks. Jesus Christ. That was heavy. Finally got my big boy red jack back. Whew, I'm out of breath. That thing is heavy as hell. We're gonna go ahead and do a muffler delete today on the Cougar. As always, you wanna have your tools ready. Anytime you're picking up a car, you wanna have jack stands ready. That's one. And that's two. Any place you want to find a real good place to start jacking up your car, jacking off your car, you know you just want to beat it real good. Well, it's a really very safe spot to jack up the car. Usually the frame will do. That's what I do. I'll go after the frame. So we can get up under there. That is the fuel line. I don't want to jack up on that. You got to be careful when you jack up your car. Be very observant of where you put your jack, because like I said, there's fuel lines over there. And if I just shove my jack under there and start jacking up, I have to replace my whole fuel system. Not system, but the fuel lines. And that could definitely be a problem. Right there. Next time on Mad Mod, to cut springs or to not cut springs? That is the question. Lower this just a little bit. Sometimes that's who I'm gonna be. Waiting over me, wanna be family. I'm not gonna drop the sometimes. That's who I'm gonna be. Oh, that's right. I'll put this jack up there for a safe spot. And I'll bring you guys under the car, so you can see what I'm looking at. Before we get up under the car, let's go ahead and grab some tools real quick. I'm gonna get my breaker bar and my 1/2-inch socket set. And that should do it. Now that we're under the car, I can kind of give you an idea. That's the frame. That's where I jacked it up. That's where I got the jack stand on. I had it jacked up right here. Not a very strong frame for what it looks like. But that's the frame nonetheless. This is the fuel lines I was talking about. You see there's a little bent right there. You need to be real careful with these things, man. Don't know why they would run it right here. It's already been scraping the ground. This is not a good place for these. Fuel filters right here. Anyways, we're getting sidetracked. That's what I'm gonna bolt today. Let me go ahead and fix the camera to a nice comfy view. Then I'll get started. Alright, gotta get these off. So what I'm gonna do first before I start unbolting stuff is I'm gonna spray it down with a little WD-40 and let it sit. Hopefully it'll break apart some of that rust and corrosion. Let it soak in there for a little bit. That way I just don't struggle that bad when taking it off. It looks like these are actually pretty dang new. Like they haven't been on here that long. But the whole undercarriage is very clean actually. I'm very surprised actually. It's looking really, really good. I'm gonna leave the heat shields in here. The only thing I don't like is it's gonna have a real bad resonance. It's gonna have a lot of drone just because it's right here in the middle of the car, but that's fine for now. The real mission is to get this off, get it redone with just pipe in the way of the muffler. I got two mufflers. I got this, I want to say maybe resonator right here, and then there's a big muffler in the back. But let's go ahead and get it off. All about that race car life. Weight reduction, bro. Alright. I got the 15 piece. Alright. Let's see. Make sure it's a good fit. Perfect. I saw there's just enough clearance for that bolt. Make it up. Let's hook it up to our breaker bar. Remember, lefty loosey.
What you learn about me? Always get on me. Fall in love with a sucker man, but sucker somatic balance. That you could be the one for me. But like a drug, I need to detox my body. Ooh, never gonna find.
Not too worried about the exhaust hanging without this, because you know there's a hanger here holding it up. There's also one down there on the flex pipe, and there's not too much weight with that. Later on, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and replace all the pipes, put it back because I do want it to go out the back. Probably put a Bozo exhaust. JDM as hell. Oh no, I touched the camera with my dirty hands. Can I just, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here. And we got that one. Damn. Put some real work into it, huh? Pick it up. Alright. I'm going to put those back on so I don't lose them. So what you want to do now is just slide the mufflers up the hangers, which can prove itself very difficult. But with enough juice, you get it off the hanger. Let me go separate. Oh my God. Well, flippity flip. Flippity flip, flippity flu, boy. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this shit off now. And just get that pipe that I cut and put it on because it has a little hanger on it. this is what it sounds like after the muffler delete. Well, that's it as far as like the muffler delete. We're not finished yet. What we're actually going to do is replace the stock muffler with just a pipe. So a pipe will run from there to here, and we're going to replace the stock resonator with a pipe, which a pipe will run from there to here, connect it back up. That way we just have a straight pipe all the way through the back. Now my favorite part of the whole muffler delete, taking it for a test drive. That's it for the process. Very easy. Taking off your muffler usually just takes a few bolts. It's nothing too hard. You know, if you got a hacksaw, you can get at it, you can cut it off that way. I really just wanted to unbolt mine so I can go back if I didn't like it, but you know, before I even resorted to cutting my pipe so I can make sure it hung, I actually turned on my car, listened to it first, and see if it was something I was comfortable with. It's something I can live with for right now. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it drones, but that's because the exhaust is cut halfway past the car instead of going all the way to the back. I am going to fix that whenever I go ahead and take the exhaust and get the muffler replaced with a pipe and get the resonator replaced with a pipe and just have it go straight to the back. I really like the way the car sounds now. It sounds tons better than what it did before. It makes it sound way more aggressive. It doesn't have a weird ricer sound to it. It doesn't have a weird sound to it. It sounds very like gurgly. Like I really like it. It's very low in tone, and I really like that. But yeah. If you guys feel like it, give me a like for this video. Give me a like for the Cougar. Give a like for the Modsmobile. Give a like for that punching bag. Let's throw a smile on this real quick. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to email me. I'll leave an email down below. If you guys want me to do anything specific, go ahead and shoot me an email, or you can even comment on this video, and maybe we'll do the next mod based on what you want me to actually do. I appreciate you guys coming out and watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Up your car, jacking off your car, you know you just want to beat it real good. Jacking off your car, you know you just want to beat it real good.